got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. If I told you you were...
Hey guys, what's up? It's Meek and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing another session of lock separation. Although I am freeforming, lock separation to me is very crucial and important. I have just finished washing my hair and some of it's still wet. You can probably see some of it dripping. Some of the ends were still wet, but currently letting some of the air dry out. But now separation can be a painful thing. It can hurt for some people depending on your tolerance, but I've kind of trained myself to get used to doing it. Now with separation, what you want to do is you just want to like gently take your locks and pull them apart. Just gently take them by the roots and pull apart.
Just to say how much you mean to me. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If I told you, if I told you, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful.
So much for watching this video. If it was helpful for you, give this video a thumbs up. Leave some nice comments down below. If you guys have any questions, concerns, please let me know. They just may be featured in the Q&A as well. So yeah, subscribe to my channel for more, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.